This is a 2013 Toyota Sequoia SUV, and we're going to take a look at how to fold down the, it's got the second row or middle seats, and then the rear seats, third row seating as well. So start with the middle seats here. We're on the driver's side. You'll see there's a pull by the headrest on all three sections. So you can fold down the first third, reach in, fold down the middle. So you've got 2/3 of the middle seat folded down there. And you'll actually see with the rear seats, third row seating here, there's buttons, and this is on the driver's side. If we hold this top button down, see there, and it's gonna fold that headrest down, and it folds down now 2/3 of the third row seating. So we've got the middle seat 2/3 of the way folded down, and the rear seat 2/3 of the way folded down. Go back around here to the over to the passenger side. You'll see there's a similar pull. So now we've got the middle seats all folded down, and then we can actually go ahead and fold down, and you'll see the headrest will come down as well. Folds down. There we go. So we've got the middle and the back row folded down. You can see it's a pretty flat surface. You could get a good sized piece of furniture or appliance in here. Go back around here to the other side. You can see there, and there's controls as well in the rear over on the driver's side again. So you could actually use that to fold up the rear seats. And you'll see that there's a little control here. You can just fold the headrests up. So thanks a lot for watching.